Hi. So as I know, many of you guys have been asking me about what's the ROI for IMT, what's the ROI for this college, what's the ROI for other colleges. So just in case, I wanted to make a video on ROI and MBA. So this is a small video on that. You'll have an idea about how to calculate your ROI and everything. So okay. So first of all, ROI, return on investment, is for MBA and for other degrees is not same as you do for the in theory books. Okay. So whatever cost you are spending for an MBA, like 20-25 colleges, and for me it was 30 lakhs for MTDCP course. And not only that, for the 2 years, for your own personal expenses, there will be some cost. I'll take it as 6 lakhs for the 2 years, for example, for an average 6 to 8 lakhs. So just taking the higher number, 8 lakhs, 38 lakhs, and just in case, don't forget the opportunity cost also for those 2 years. So just taking a small salary of 6 lakhs also. So nearly about you'll be paying 50 lakhs, including everything. As per my calculation, your opportunity cost, your personal and everything, whatever you'll be spending here, and your tuition fees and everything. So everything will be covered in this 50 lakhs. So what's the ROI for that? First of all, don't get for only the placements as one of the ROI. If suppose you want placements, then there are colleges whose fees are 8 to 10 lakhs, and their average placement is 14 lakhs. So you can go, you are getting an ROI within, you are able to recover your part, I think, within 2 years. But it's not like that. Those colleges are also not very good, will be able to help you grow. So there are a few things you need to see while calculating the ROI. First is the alum base. The alumni base of the college matters a lot. How is the alum base? How well the alumni is relation is with the college and everything. You need to check out with that. Second, your batch size. I personally feel batch size matters a lot because, okay, in IMT, what I feel, although my fees is high, 30 lakhs, but what I got, I am acquainted with more than 1500 students. My senior batch was 800, my batch is 750, something like that. So it's 1550 right now, and I'll have my juniors coming next year, so there'll be more, like 2200. I'll know. Now it depends upon you how well you are going and meeting people, networking with them. So that's one of the very important thing, networking your batch size. Because your batch will be there. Some will be CEO at different companies. Some will be working at good positions at different MNCs or different. Someone will be working at a startup. They will have different skills and expertise which will help you out. Along with that, MBA will help you with a professional degree. Will help you with a corporate environment, which will help you to grow in the near future. If suppose you are earning, I'm just taking an average of 14 lakhs the starting year. I'm very sure after working 1.5 years, if you go for a switch or if you go, if you get a promotion, you can easily, by the next 3 to 4 years, you can easily get 20 to 25 lakhs packages, and which is for the starting 2 years is very good. Which I don't know about personally. I won't comment anything about engineering, but yeah, for BCom there are very less chances. BBA very less chances you'll get such a good packages, very less. So yeah. So this is very important, and not only alum based, not only networking, other things what MBA will help you with different skills. There are few skills which you will learn in MBA. First is the communication skills, which will help. There are the skills like what I here learn is Tableau. I learn 9. I learn it's a software for data analytics, and the place where I'm doing internship, my friends are doing internship. They are doing brand management, they are doing advertisement, they're doing different things which they haven't done in their life. They're learning from their managers. Yeah, you can get these things from working outside, finding on your own, but MBA will give you a good platform for that. So yeah, so I think these are the few things in which ROI is dependent. Don't take placements only for ROI. Placement is one of the major factor, but it's not the only factor, I'll say. So yeah, this is all about ROI of MBA and everything. Just in case if you have any further doubts, you can connect with me on Instagram and LinkedIn. I'll be available. I'll try to message everyone. I have few chats which I will be replying very soon. So till then, all the best for your future. If you're giving CAT this year, 2025, or if you're taking admission this year, all the best for your both the things. Till then, do like and subscribe. Bye bye.